Okay, so hello and welcome to the Maths Guide. As I said before, the Junior Cert course that we're going to be looking at is going to be taught with the spiral method of learning, which is a quick introduction to everything, and then we return regularly to the same topics for more and more detail. So the reason I'm telling you this is so that you don't worry when you're doing exercises which seem very hard. With a bit of help as you go through the exercise, you'll be able to figure out how to do the exercise, and as you return more regularly, your understanding will expand, and you'll be more comfortable with the exercises. So what I'm going to do now is going to introduce you to what happens on the course. Obviously, you can schedule it whichever way you want in any kind of 5-day period, but from the Monday to Friday, we're going to be giving you new exercises, so you do new exercises. On the Saturday, you don't do any new exercises. You don't move on to anything new. On the Saturday, you'll be doing revision. In fact, every day you're going to be doing revision the way it's going to be scheduled, and you just click on the revision button in order to do that. On Sunday is a day off. So today being Sunday, I'm just giving you a little introduction to the course, but in general, you want to take one day off per week. You need a little break for your brain to reset a little bit, okay? So practice, you're going to be practicing on worksheets or the automated exercises and revision, which is part of the paid course that you can do. The worksheets are free, so feel free to practice on them. For the exercises, as you get the video, you'll get a video like this. Then you just click on the link that you're asked to do. There will also be a link for worksheets for those of you who want to do it for free, but the worksheets you're going to have to correct yourself. The exercises here are automatically corrected, and that's a very valuable way of providing feedback to help you to understand a particular question. So I recommend you do that. And then with the assignments, you click on assignments and you'll find the assignments. When you click on the exercises button, you'll get a little picture like this, the maths training page. You click on that button that says subcategories because of the way this is set up, it can allow you to do a lot of exercises at the same time. So you have to select which exercise you want to do. For most of this course, there will simply be one exercise. You just click on that exercise there. In this case, it's sale price. You're given a question. You put your answer in the answer box. You click on submit or press return, and it will automatically correct your exercise and give you points. Okay, so you need to collect usually about 10 questions correctly in order to complete the exercise. Maybe more than 10. If you get some wrong, you go back a point. So you have to get not necessarily 10 in a row, but something along those lines. Okay, let's have a look at revision. So when you start an exercise, you start at level 1. When you're halfway through an exercise, you go to level 2. So as soon as you answer any question, whether you answer it correctly or incorrectly, you will move on to level 1. When you're halfway through, it'll go to level 2 and you'll get a little indication of that and you click OK. When you complete the exercise, you're on level 3. It'll let you know that you've completed the exercise and it'll prepare revision for you to do the following day. So the following day, you'll have revision to do, which brings you to level 4. The following week, you'll have revision to do, which brings you to level 5. The following month brings you to level 6, and 6 months later you get a final revision which brings you to level 7. Now, depending on the difficulty of the exercise, it gives you a certain number of points, and your points double every time you do a revision. So it's really important to do the revision in order to make sure that you're doubling your points. And the reason I'm giving you so many points is because it's so critical to do revision. It's absolutely necessary to do it. That's why I've set the course up this way. Once you've done your 6-month revision, it's locked in and you maintain that level. If you miss a revision, I'm afraid you go back to level 1 and you have to kind of start again. So don't miss your revision. You have a little bit of leeway, a couple of days to make sure you get the revision done. But watch out for that. You'll click on the revision link. It'll tell you what assignments you have to do that day, the following day, the next day. Just work through it. You'll get an idea of how that works. Okay. And that is that. I wish you all the best and hope that works very well for you.